In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the malicious pop-ups which are fake Chrome browser update notifications. These pop-ups are coming from the site Performprogressivemosttheproduct.vip. It's a deceptive site that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to trick you into adding certain unwanted browser extensions. These extensions actually may operate as adware. If they operate as adware, they will start showing a lot of advertisements that may open new browser tabs and redirect you to many shady pages. Some versions of these extensions may function as browser hijackers that may change a lot of crucial browser settings. In the light of this information, we strongly urge you to immediately undertake the measures to remove any unwanted browser extensions. If they were mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, this is what you should do. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then if you find any third-party extensions, disable and delete them. Finally, I recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.